Before we start the podcast, we wanted to let you know about WestOS. If you're a teacher or pupil at a school in Scotland, then you now have access to hundreds of quality assured video lessons created by teachers to support your remote learning. You should be able to find WestOS within the app library of Glow, where you can add the tile to your own personal launchpad. Click on the tile and you'll have immediate access to stream lessons in every area of the Scottish curriculum, with video lessons already available for biology at National 5, Higher and Advanced Higher. Now let's get on with the podcast. This podcast is sponsored by Lecky Textbooks, revision guides and practice papers, everything you need to learn, review and prepare for your senior phase assessments. Browse the books at www.leckyscotland.co.uk and get 40% off using the discount code LeckyPodcast40. We're thrilled by the overwhelming support for our episodes featuring top-notch experts delving into various biological realms. And guess what? Thanks to feedback from higher biology students, we're launching shorter, punchy revision episodes. Get ready for quick summaries of key areas to turbocharge your exam prep. These short summary episodes can support your exam preparation, but are not intended to replace other important aspects of your revision. Let's dive into the fascinating world of cell structure, focusing on a key player, DNA. In this short revision episode, we will aim to break down some essential information that will help you ace your higher biology course. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is one of the two types of nucleic acids residing in the cells of living organisms. Picture it as the master blueprint of life. Now let's unravel some DNA secrets. DNA is a double-stranded molecule featuring repeating units known as DNA nucleotides. There are 4 nitrogenous bases: cytosine, C, guanine, G, adenine, A, and thymine, T. A always pairs with T and C with G. The DNA molecule takes on the shape of a double helix, resembling a twisted ladder. Each strand runs in opposite directions, making them anti-parallel. At the 5' end, there's a phosphate group, while at the 3' end, a deoxyribose sugar. Each DNA nucleotide in a DNA strand is linked to another DNA nucleotide via a strong sugar-phosphate bond, also known as a phosphodiester bond. All cells store their genetic information in the base sequence of DNA. This sequence determines an organism's genotype, basically the genes it possesses. Moving on to the organisation of DNA, we have prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes, like bacteria, lack a nucleus. Their DNA is organised into circular chromosomes and plasmids. Eukaryotes, on the other hand, have a nucleus and come in various forms: animals, plants, fungi. In eukaryotic cells, DNA resides in 3 locations: the nucleus with linear chromosomes, mitochondria with circular chromosomes, and chloroplasts in plants with circular chromosomes. Yeast is a special example of a eukaryote. Yeast is a eukaryotic fungal cell. It contains DNA as linear chromosomes in the nucleus, circular chromosomes in the mitochondria, and also contains DNA in circular plasmids, unlike any other eukaryotic cell. Lastly, to fit all this genetic information into a eukaryotic nucleus, DNA needs some packaging magic. To do this, it's packaged around associated proteins called histones. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of DNA for your higher biology revision journey. Hit subscribe on whatever platform you get your podcasts so you don't miss the rest of our short summary episodes, nor our regular episodes with leading experts. And remember, this quick summary is intended as just one element of your broader revision plan. There's loads of resources available via Glow, such as Scholar or West to West, as well as BBC Bite-Size Online. Or why not check out one of Lecky's great revision books and use the code LECKYPODCAST40 to get 40% off on their website www.leckyscotland.co.uk.